Salamu alaikum.
Hope you all are fine. Today's build is going to be 8-bit special. So please, I have just started the channel Sulfur Monoxide. Please subscribe my channel. Let's begin. For processor, we have two options here. First is the i5 4th gen and second is i3 7th gen. Both have almost same power and price, but I prefer i3 7th gen. Moreover, the i5 4th gen was released in 2014 while the i3 7th gen was released in 2017. Here we have i5 4th gen for 15,000 rupees with the following specs, but I prefer to increase RAM to 8 gigabytes. And the i3 7th gen with the following specs for 15,000 rupees. The link of all the products will be given in the description. Now for the graphics cards, we have two options. First is the AMD Radeon R7 35010 for gigabytes for 10,000 rupees. Second is W510 for gigabytes for 15,000 rupees. Must check your nearby market for these products. Maybe you get it for cheaper. Or you can buy it from the links given in the description. A video dedicated for graphics cards from 2K to 16K will be shown on the end screen. Must check out. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe.